In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive emails in Outlook Office 365. Archiving is a great way to reduce clutter in your mailbox without deleting anything. It keeps your important messages accessible and searchable, while clearing them out of busy folders like your inbox. I'll show you a quick manual method for one-off cleanups, and then how to set up automatic archiving so Outlook handles it for you going forward. Start by opening the desktop Outlook app. Go to your inbox or any folder that's getting crowded. Select the emails you want to move to your archive. You can select a single message, or hold Shift to select Arrange, or Control to pick multiple non-adjacent emails. Right-click your selection, choose Move, then click Other folder. In the list that appears, select Archive and confirm. Outlook will move those messages out of the current folder and into your archive, so they're still available whenever you need them, just not in your way. This is perfect for clearing newsletters, old threads, or completed conversations while keeping your mailbox organized. If you prefer a hands-off approach, you can enable automatic archiving in classic desktop Outlook. Go to File, then Options, open the Advanced section, and click Auto Archive Settings. Turn on Run Auto Archive Every, and choose a schedule that fits your workflow, such as every 14 days. Next, set the age limits for items to be archived. The default is 6 months for the inbox, which works well for most people, but you can adjust it if you need a shorter or longer window. Choose Move Old Items to an Archive PST file, and apply the settings to all folders so your mailbox is managed consistently. Once you save, Outlook will run on the schedule you chose and display progress in the status bar as it moves older items for you automatically. A quick note on what that means behind the scenes: the Archive PST is a local data file stored on your computer. It helps keep your main mailbox smaller and can improve performance, especially when you receive a lot of mail. Because it's local, the items moved by Auto Archive are available in this desktop Outlook profile and won't sync to Outlook on the web or mobile apps. The manual archive move you performed earlier also declutters without deleting, keeping your messages easy to find when you need them. And that's it. Thanks for watching.